Shai, and this is Shai World Reviews, food reviews.
Shai, how do you feel about the food at ASM?
Be real with you, I don't eat this food.
Can you tell us what's on the menu today?
So today's menu, we got like this stuff looks like it's been played with. We got, I'm gonna call this a burger, even though they say this is a sandwich. So apparently somebody didn't do they thinking skills in the sense of using burger buns to make a sandwich. Whoever made that, I'm sorry, but you should be fired. Like, expiration date, July the 22nd, 2024. Like, bro, that is.
Did you open it?
No, I see them. I'm gonna open it. I don't know if I should be eating this because the expiration date say otherwise. What day is it? Oh, hell no. But, oh, if I get sick, I'm suing y'all. Oh my God. I got cookies.
Until you eat them.
So, they got.
Oh.
See, like.
It's like a BuzzFeed video.
Can we
Like,
zoom in on that?
look at this. Zoom in this.
Wait, let me get the recorder.
This is what you call. This is what they say a sandwich. Michelle, I'm on you. They got. Oh hell no! What? Oh hell no! Is this? This is expired. What?
Is that the butt? Oh.
You see this?
Let me get some.
Oh hell no! This is.
Is that like the butt, right?
No, this tomato the butt, but it got a little mold on it.
Oh.
No, it's like
Oh
it's like
hell no! See, I'm not eating. For making a sandwich, you gotta add details to it. Like this look like a mama packing a lunch for their little boy, take to school, and it's like, first of all, like nah, a mother who has no care in their child. This is what they'll give them.
Negligent.
Yes. So y'all could have added some different, cheese, get Gouda, mozzarella.
No.
Like, man, get a little, get a little fancy with it. I mean, y'all got money to make this big building. Make some money in y'all sandwiches. Oh my bad, burgers.
0 to 10.
See, like, I'm risking my life. 'Cause this is expired. Like, what y'all do? Rate this a 2.5. This is like a meal. This is the sandwich. 2.5 for the sandwich. Baby carrot. I'm gonna try baby carrots.
you got a crumb on the corner.
You disgusting.
Pickle and carrot.
Carrots make your eyes better.
Yeah, baby.
Do you have 20/20 vision?
Yeah,
See, here at ASM, we provide nutrients to help.
barely.
Wait, yeah. Ooh, I hear the crunch.
Carrots not bad.
That's good.
They got a little pickle flavor to it. 'Cause they been pickles. I'll give the carrots a 7 out of 10. Not bad.
Okay.
Don't put it in the expired meal though.
Oh my god. You like that?
Applesauce actually not bad. That's probably the best part of this meal.
Out of 10?
I will rate the applesauce a 9. I'll rate it an 8 out of 10. Y'all pick basic applesauce. We need a little spice to it. Give me cinnamon. Give me pineapple. Pineapple applesauce. I hope when I leave, y'all put a little caramel in this food. Cause this look like a prison meal on death row. Besides that, I will give this meal a decent 4 out of 10. That's my rating, and I'll catch y'all later. It's gonna be the last thing y'all gonna see about me. Peace out.